How to remove CoinThief malware from iPhone. CoinThief is a type of malware that targets iPhones. It can steal your personal information, such as your passwords, credit card numbers, and bank account information. It can also steal your cryptocurrency. To remove CoinThief from your iPhone, you need to 1. Back up your iPhone. This is important in case you accidentally delete any important data while you are removing the malware. 2. Restore your iPhone to factory settings. This will erase all of the data on your iPhone, including the malware. 3. Reinstall your apps. Once your iPhone is restored to factory settings, you can reinstall your apps from the App Store. To back up your iPhone, you can use iCloud or iTunes. To restore your iPhone to factory settings, you need to connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Then, click on your iPhone in the iTunes window and select Restore. Once your iPhone is restored to factory settings, you can reinstall your apps from the App Store. When you are reinstalling your apps, be careful not to reinstall any apps that you think might be infected with CoinThief. If you are not comfortable removing CoinThief yourself, you can take your iPhone to an Apple store or an authorized Apple service provider. They will be able to remove the malware for you. Here are some tips to help prevent CoinThief from infecting your iPhone. Only install apps from trusted sources. The App Store is a trusted source for apps, but there are other sources that may not be as trustworthy. Only install apps from sources that you trust. Keep your iPhone software up to date. Apple regularly releases security updates that fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware. Keep your iPhone software up to date to protect yourself from malware attacks. Be careful about what links you click on. Malware can be spread through malicious links. Be careful about what links you click on, especially in emails and text messages. Use a security app. Security apps can scan your iPhone for malware and remove any threads that they find. Be aware of the signs of malware infection. If you think your iPhone may be infected with malware, look for the following signs. Your iPhone may run slowly or have more battery drain than usual. You may see unexpected pop-up ads or notifications. Your passwords may be stolen. Your credit card numbers or bank account information may be stolen. Your cryptocurrency may be stolen. If you see any of these signs, it is important to take action to remove the malware from your iPhone. 2. Variants of CoinThief. CoinThief has been found in a number of variants, including CoinThief v1.0. This is the original version of CoinThief. It was first discovered in 2018. CoinThief v2.0. This is a newer version of CoinThief that was first discovered in 2019. It is more sophisticated than the original version and is able to steal more types of cryptocurrency. CoinThief v3.0. This is the latest version of CoinThief. It was first discovered in 2020. It is the most sophisticated version of CoinThief and is able to steal all types of cryptocurrency. All versions of CoinThief are dangerous and can steal your cryptocurrency. It is important to be aware of the risks and to take steps to protect yourself from CoinThief and other types of malware. Moreover, the CoinThief codes are a set of instructions that are used to control the malware. The codes are stored in a file on the infected device. The malware uses the codes to steal cryptocurrency, monitor the user's activity, and send information to the attacker. The CoinThief codes are written in a programming language called C. The codes are obfuscated, which makes them difficult to read and understand. However, security researchers have been able to reverse engineer the codes and understand how they work. The CoinThief codes are constantly being updated by the attackers. The attackers release new versions of the malware with updated codes. The updates make it more difficult for security researchers to track the malware and for users to protect themselves from infection. 3. There are a number of successors to CoinThief, including Cerberus. This is a type of malware that steals cryptocurrency from iOS devices. It is believed to have been created by the same group of cybercriminals who created CoinThief. Fake App. This is a type of malware that steals cryptocurrency from Android devices. It is believed to have been created by a different group of cybercriminals than the ones who created CoinThief. Joker. This is a type of malware that steals cryptocurrency from both iOS and Android devices. It is believed to be one of the most sophisticated types of malware that targets cryptocurrency. All of these successors are dangerous and can steal your cryptocurrency. It is important to be aware of the risks and to take steps to protect yourself from these types of malware.